Hi, welcome back to TechBytes. In the previous video, we covered Ali's login process and base file permissions. And let's continue the play by shifting the focus to Bob.
The last video was awesome. I totally get how Alice logs in and keeps her files private. But what about Bob? I remember he had a different shell.
Exactly. Bob uses ZSH instead of Bash, and he loves customizing it. But today, we are also going to see how file ownership and group permissions work. Let's head back to the office. Meet Bob again. Unlike Alice and Carol, who use Bash, Bob prefers ZSH. Let's see why.
Check this out. My ZSH shell has autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and even themes. I can customize everything.
Alright, now let's take a look at Bob's setup. Unlike Alice and Carol, who use Bash, Bob prefers ZSH because it comes with powerful features that make working in the terminal much smoother. Let's see it in action. First, the color coded output. In ZSH, when Bob types ls, directories appear in blue, regular files in white, and executable files in green. This makes it easy to spot different file types at a glance. This color coding helps Bob quickly identify folders, files, and executables without extra commands. Next, let's talk about smart autocompletion. With ZSH, Bob can type just a few letters, hit tab, and the shell will suggest the future command for him. Now Bob types cd doc, then he presses tab, and ZSH autocompletes. Boom! No need to type out long directory names. ZSH takes care of that. It even suggests multiple matches if there's more than one possibility. Now let's check syntax highlighting. ZSH also warns you if you type a wrong command. Check this out. Bob accidentally types LSS instead of ls. On screen, the text turns red, indicating an invalid command. See that? The text turns red. This means this command doesn't exist. Now, when Bob corrects it, the text changes back to normal. Bob deletes LSS and types ls. Text turns white again. This is a game changer for avoiding typos and command errors.
That's cool. But Bash works just fine for me.
So that's a quick look at Bob's ZSH setup. Unlike Bash, ZSH gives Bob extra features like color-coded output, smart autocompletion, and syntax highlighting. These little things make working in the terminal much smoother. And now, every user on the Linux system can have their own customized environment depending on their needs. Bob loves tweaking things to his style, while Carol and Alice prefer to keep things simple.
Bash works just fine for me, Bob. But hey, if you love your fancy terminal, go for it.
And that's the beauty of Linux. Everyone gets to choose what works best for them. But Bob's ZSH journey doesn't stop here. In the next video, we will go even deeper as Bob shows us how to make commands shorter and work faster using aliases. No more typing long complicated commands. Bob has some cool tricks to share. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your fellow Linux learners, and subscribe to TechBytes. Stay tuned for more Linux adventures. See you in the next one.